My entire life, I've never really been a gearhead. I was never the guy that cared if all my cymbals were the same, if the brands were mismatched. I never cared if my snare drum was the one that came with the shell pack that I bought. I was always just after what sounded good to me in that moment. But when you finally are faced with this whole endorsement thing, it's very exciting, but it's also kind of scary because it's really personal. It's what you put your name on. It's the family you join. And not to mention that, but it feels permanent. You're abandoning all these other old sounds and taking on a bunch of new ones. And it's a big, big decision. Since the last NAMM show, guys, I had been contacted by a number of different cymbal and drum companies. You know, not being the biggest gearhead in the world, I started to ask myself a different set of questions. All gear aside, who are the people running these companies? What does each one of these companies stand for in the industry? What does their track record say about them? And how do they treat artists like me, educators? A lot of times, guys, when I interact with these major drum companies in the industry, I often find myself having to explain exactly what it is that I do. No, I'm not touring this year. No, I haven't played on any albums. I'm an online educator, and this is my entire world. And man, that is really not fun to explain to a company who should know more than you about what's happening in the drum industry. But when it comes to Meinl, guys, this is a cymbal company that lives and breathes online education. This is a company who has helped pioneer the exact same space that I'm so passionate about, the art of teaching drums through the internet. I don't think I could possibly find a better fit. So when it came down to making the decision, do I want to join this family of some of the greatest living drummers on earth, some of the greatest educators on earth? Do I want to sit alongside those people? I didn't really have a choice. I am the Orlando drummer, and I am a Meinl artist.